Welcome back, everyone. So I'm making another shirt for my grandbaby. This one I'm using the Cricut and iron on. So it's a two-color scheme. It's not my original. I seen it on Etsy and I liked it, so I said I gotta make this for my grandbaby. So here it is. So there it is. It's gonna be black, and then the stars are gonna be glitter on vinyl. And then I'm gonna be putting it on this shirt right here. So I already have the black on the machine. So I'm gonna send it to the machine so that it cuts it out. So it's sending to the machine right now. So it wants to do the stars first, but I already have the black on there, so I'm going to do the black first. And then I'm going to mirror. And I'm going to click this also and mirror that. And you know what? Since it wants to do the stars first, I'm just going to go ahead and cut that first. So I'll be back once I loaded the silver glitter onto the mat. Alright, so I have the silver glitter iron on loaded, and I'm going to go ahead and click continue, waiting for it to connect to the machine. So connected to the machine. And then I'm going to tell it glitter iron on. And then it's flashing, so I'm going to press the button, let it load up. And it's going to do its thing. Press the flashing C, Cricut. So I finished cutting that one. It's telling me take it out, taking it out. And then I'm going to take this off, and I'm trying to do this with one hand. So I'm taking it off of the mat here. Now I'm going to load the black onto the mat. And put that into the machine. And then now I need to tell this one, I'm changing the material because it's not glitter, it's everyday iron on. And now I'm going to press the button to load. Didn't grab it properly, so I'm going to Alright, so it's finished cutting. I'm gonna unload the black. And while that was cutting, I weeded the stars, which was really easy. So you can see the stars right there. So try to do this with one hand again. So take it off of the mat. Alright, so I have the easy press heated up to 330 degrees and it's set for 30 seconds. Here's my shirt. So the first thing I want to do is press the area for like about 5 seconds. And then I am going to fold it in half so I can get the center point. Once again, I'm doing this one-handed while I'm holding the camera. Can't find my stand right now, but that's the center. And then I'm just going to use the easy press just to lightly put a crease in there. So that's my center line. You guys can probably see it. And please, I apologize for the bad lighting. I really do. I'm trying to do this late at night by myself. So with the design, I'm going to fold that so that I can get the center point. And I usually go down 3 fingers. So that looks like the center. All right, and I'm going to press that. And press my timer so it counts down. And just put light pressure with the easy press. And as y'all can see, it is counting down. Alright, I'm gonna let it cool just a second. And peel it off. And then now I am going to get my stars and then line that up on the design. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm going to take the carrier for the previous one and put that on top so that I'm covering the previous one. And then do it again for another 30 seconds. I ordered me an actual heat press, but it hasn't come yet, so this is what I'm using in the meantime, which has worked fine for like shirts for family and stuff. So right, and then let it peel that off now. And because of the glitter, it kind of like put a little sparkle on the black over it also. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I like it. And then what I like to do is also turn it over on the opposite side and do it for like 15 seconds this time. All right, and there it is, the completed shirt. I like the way it came out, and hopefully he will like it too. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe. Thank you.